Hey people, so you know what? We are sitting and having pizza in the car, and basically that's what I'm about to start the vehicle and head home. But I felt it will take a long time to sit in that restaurant, and now takeaway is best. But of course, coming to a mall is their experience, right? So Ayush is all set to have his pizza, and that's what these are again these random videos we do sitting in the car, and I'll start the vehicle now. But yeah, so Ayush, take the first bite and tell me how it is. But it's hot, so that's what he's saying. It is. This is Pizza Hut. Normally we always opt for Domino's, so this is Pizza Hut. So that's a good thing, right? So that's what I'll. 40-second video, but I'll catch you all soon enough. So on that note,